I, Sambabu Gedula, Head of the Department of Biotechnology. I will give presentation on epistaxis. What is epistaxis? Is a Greek word, powerful tool, standing upon. Studying the genetic information can reveal gene function, nature of mutations, and protein interaction. Interaction between the genes. Epistaxis takes place when the action of one gene is modified by one or several other genes is called modifier genes. The genes whose phenotype is expressed is said to be epistatic. The phenotype is altered or suppressed is called hypostatic. Epistaxis and genetic interaction refer to the same phenomenon. Epistaxis is widely used in population genetics. Population genetics is nothing but a statistical properties of the phenomenon. What are the learning objectives? Dominance and epistaxis. Dominant epistaxis are 12 is to 3 is to 1. Recessive epistaxis 9 is to 3 is to 4. Duplicate dominant gene 15 is to 1. Duplicate recessive gene 9 is to 7. Duplicate gene with a cumulative effect 9 is to 6 is to 1. Dominant and recessive interaction 13 is to 3. Epistaxis is a Greek word, means standing over or standing upon. Bateson used 1909 to describe a masking effect and an interaction between the pair of loci or locus in which the phenotypic effect of one locus depending on the genotype at the second locus. Genes whose phenotypes are expressed is epistatic, altered or suppressed hypostatic. Differences between dominance and epistaxis. Dominance means it involves intra-allelic genes interaction, whereas in epistaxis it involves inter-allelic gene interaction. One allele hides the effect of other allele at the same gene pair, whereas in epistaxis one gene hides the effect of other gene at different gene loci. Epistaxis, you have 6 ratios: 12 is to 3 is to 1, 9 is to 3 is to 4, 9 is to 7, 15 is to 1, 13 is to 3, 9 is to 6 is to 1. Dominant epistaxis 12 is to 3 is to 1. Example: dog. The color of the coat: white leghorn is crossed with brown vendetta, P1. So capital I, capital I, capital B, capital B, small I, small I, small b, small b. F1 white, capital I, capital B, small b. So F1 gametes. So the mode of dominant epistaxis: epistatic alleles are capital A, capital A, capital A, small a. Hypostatic: capital B, capital B, capital B, small b, small b, small b. Phenotypic expression will be capital A. Epistatic alleles small a, small a. Hypostatic alleles are capital B, capital B, capital B, small b. Phenotypic expression is capital B. Epistatic alleles are small a, small a. Hypostatic alleles are small b, small b. Phenotypic expression will be small b. Capital I, capital I, capital B, capital B, white. Capital B, capital B, capital I, capital B, small b, white. Capital I, small I, capital B, white. Capital I, small I, capital B, small b, white. capital I, capital I, capital B, small b, white. Capital I, small b, white. Capital I, small I, capital B, small b, white. Capital I, capital B, white. Capital I, small I, capital B, white. Capital I, capital B, white. Small I, capital means black. Small I, capital B, black. Capital I, capital B, white. Capital I, small b, white. Small I, capital B, black. Small I, small b means brown. 9:3:1 into 12:3:1. The phenotypic ratio 12/16 white, 3/16 black, 1/16 brown, or 12:3:1. Second one is the recessive epistaxis 9:3:4. Example, mice. Color of the coat black is crossed with albino. Parents capital C, small a, small c, capital A. In F1, capital C, capital A, agout. So F1 gametes are capital C, capital A, small c, capital A, small c, small a. The mode of action of recessive epistaxis. Epistatic alleles are small a, hypostatic alleles are capital B, small b, small b. Phenotypic expression will be A, small a. Epistatic alleles capital A, small a. Hypostatic capital B, small b. The phenotypic expression will be capital B. Epistatic alleles capital A, small a. Hypostatic small b. Phenotypic expression will be small b. Capital C, capital A, agout. Capital C, capital A, small a, agout. Capital C, small c, capital A, agout. Capital C, small c, capital A, agout. Capital C, capital A, small a, agout. Capital C, small a, black. Capital C, capital A, small a, agout. Capital C, small a, black. Capital C, capital A, agout. Capital C, capital A, agout. Small c, capital A, albino. Small c, capital A, albino. Capital C, capital A, agout. Capital C, small a, black. Small c, capital A, albino. Small c, a, albino. 9:3:1 into 9:3:4. 9 agout, 3 black, 4 albino. 9/16 agout, 3/16 black, 4/16 albino. Duplicate dominant gene 15:1. Example, seed shape. Triangular is crossed with top shape. Parents capital A, capital B is crossed with small a, small b, small b. F1 capital A, capital B, small b, triangular. Gametes are capital A, capital B, capital A, small b, small a, capital B, small a, small b. Mode of action of duplicate dominant gene. Epistatic alleles are capital A, small a. Hypostatic small b, small b. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. small a, capital B, capital B, capital B, small b. The three are same phenotype, A, B, A plus B. Means the presence of one dominant allele on the both or either loci result in the same phenotype. Epistatic alleles are small a, hypostatics are small b. So another phenotype small a or small b. So absence of dominant alleles on the both or either loci results in different phenotype. Crossing between the capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, triangular. Capital A, capital A, capital B, small b, triangle. Capital A, small a, capital B, triangle. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, triangle. Capital A, capital A, capital B, small b, triangle. Capital A, small b, triangle. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, triangle. Capital A, small b, triangle. Capital A, small a, capital B, triangle. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, triangle. Small a, capital B, triangle. Small a, capital B, small b, triangle. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, triangle. Capital A, small b, triangle. Small a, capital B, small b, triangle. Small a, small b, top shape. So 9:3:1 into 15:1. The phenotypic ratio is 15 triangle, 1 top shape. So 15/16 triangle, 1/16 top shaped. Duplicate recessive gene 9:7. Example, sweet pea flower. White flower is crossed with white flower. Parents, capital C, small e. Here small c, capital E. Purple. In F1 generation we are getting purple, capital C, small c, capital E, small e. Gametes are capital C, capital C, small e, small c, capital E, small c, small e. Mode of action of complementary gene. Epistatic alleles small a. Hypostatics are capital B, capital B, small b, small b. Capital A, capital A, small a. Hypostatics are small b. Both of these are no phenotypic production. Epistatic alleles are capital A, small a. Hypostatic alleles are capital B, small b. The phenotypic expression will be the phenotypic expression due to dominant alleles on both loci. Capital C is capital E, capital C, capital E, purple. Capital C, capital E, small e, purple. Capital C, small c, capital E, purple. Capital C, small c, capital E, small e, purple. Capital C, capital E, small e, purple. Capital C, small e, white. Capital C, small c, capital E, small e, purple. Capital C, small e, white. Capital C, small c, capital E, purple. Capital C, small c, capital E, small e, purple. Small c, capital E, white. Small c, capital E, small e, white. Capital C, small c, capital E, small e, purple. Capital C, small e, small e, white. Small c, capital E, small e, white. Small e, small e, white. 9:3:1 into 9:7. So 9 purple, 7 white. The phenotypic ratio will be 9/16 purple is to 7/16 white. Duplicate gene with cumulative effect 9:6:1. Example, coat color of pig, sandy cross with sandy. Capital S, small r, small s, capital R. F1 generation, capital S, capital R, small r, red color. So F1 gametes, capital S, capital S, small r, small s, capital R, small s, small r. The mode of action of supplementary genes, epistatic allele, small a, hypostatic alleles are small b. Phenotypic action will be neither A nor B. Small a, epistatic. Hypostatic alleles are capital B, small b. Capital A, small a. Hypostatic alleles are small b. B only, A only means single gene effect. Epistatic alleles capital A, small a. Hypostatic alleles are capital B, small b. A plus B, A and B alleles mutual supplement each other. Capital S, capital R, red color. Capital S, capital R, small r, red. Capital S, capital R, red. Capital S, capital R, small r, red. Capital S, capital R, small r, red. Capital S, small r, sandy. Capital S, capital R, small r, red. Capital S, small r, sandy. Capital S, capital R, red. Capital S, capital R, small r, red. Small s, capital R, sandy. Small s, capital R, small r, sandy. Capital S, capital R, small r, red. Capital S, small r, sandy. Small s, capital R, small r, sandy. Small s, small r, white color. 9:3:1 into 9:6:1. The phenotypic ratio 9 red, 6 sandy, 1 white. 9/16 red, 6/16 sandy, 1/16 white. Dominant and recessive interaction 13:3. Example, fowl, domestic hen. White leghorn is crossed with white plymouth. Parents P1. Capital C, capital I is crossed with small c, small I. F1 generation white, capital C, small I, small I. F1 gametes, capital C, small I, small c, capital I, small c, small I. The mode of dominant and recessive interaction, epistatic alleles are capital A, small a. Hypostatic alleles capital B, small b. A inhibits B or small b. The phenotypic action will be no phenotype of B, capital B or small b. Epistatic alleles are small a. Hypostatic alleles are capital B, small b. A does not inhibit capital B or small b. The phenotypic of B or small b. Cross between capital C, capital I, small I. Capital C, capital I, white. Capital C, capital I, small I, white. Capital C, small c, capital I, white. Capital C, small c, capital I, small I, white. Capital C, capital I, small I, white. Capital C, small I. Here color, we don't know which color. capital C small c, capital I small I, white. Capital C small I small I, color, we don't know which color. Capital C small c, capital I, white. Capital C capital I, white. Small c, capital I, white. Small c, capital I, white. Capital C capital I, small I, white. Capital C small I, color, we don't know which color. Small c, capital I, small I, white. Small c, small I, white. 9 is to 3 is to 1 into 13 is to 3. So 13 are white, 3 are colored. The phenotypic ratio is 13 by 16 white, 3 by 16 color. Thank you.